Welcome to Gokhale Education Society's RH Sapat College of Engineering, Management Studies and Research, College Road, Nasik. The college was established in 2009, approved by AICTE Delhi and affiliated to Savitribai Phule Pune University, Pune. The college is NAC B++ accredited. Now let us take a tour of Department of Mechanical Engineering. The department was established in 2009 with an intake of 120 seats for undergraduate level and 12 seats for postgraduate level. The department is having well qualified, young, enthusiastic staff. Dr. P.B. Nehe is the head of the department. He is a doctorate from IIT Powai, having more than 20 years of teaching experience. Some of the staff members are pursuing their PhD from NITs. Other faculty members are postgraduate with more than 10 years of teaching experience. All the laboratories in the department are equipped with modern equipment and having all the infrastructural facilities. In our CAD/CAM lab, we are having all the necessary latest softwares like ZWCAD, Unigraphics, Hypermesh, Automation Studio, and Witness software. Workshop is the heart of mechanical engineering, consists of machine shop, welding shop, carpentry shop, and fitting shop. In order to bridge the gap between industry and academics, the mechanical engineering department is frequently organizing workshops, seminars, and expert talks. The department has a strong interaction with the industries and proactively involved in imparting industrial training to all the students in the department. Industrial visits are organized time to time to enhance the practical knowledge of the students. Apart from academics, we encourage our students to participate in different competitions like SAE events, Supra and Baha. Students from 2018 batch participated in SAE Supra, the national level event, and secured All India 19th rank out of 126. The student chapter ISHRE is conducting various activities like expert talks, seminars, and industrial visits for our students. The Mechanical Engineering Students Association MESA every year organizes various events under Ashwamekh. Every year, our students are participating in project exhibition I Rise, where students get an opportunity to interact with scientists, industry, and academic experts during this exhibition. Apart from academics and technical events, department is encouraging students to participate in cultural and sports activities. Engineers plays an important role to keep the environment clean and safe. So every year department is organizing different activities to make the students conscious about environment. As a part of society, students came forward to help the people during pandemic situation. Coming back to the academics and students' performance, the department has a track record of producing excellent result with around 50% students securing distinction in final year. We have best placement record and the count is improving year by year. Some of our major recruiters are Mahindra & Mahindra, Bosch, CAT, TCS, Infosys, Wipro, Armstrong, and many more. Now, let's hear it from our prestigious alumni.
Hello, myself Shriraj Kulkarni. I am an alumni of Gokhale Educational Society's R.S. Sapat College of Engineering. I completed my graduation in mechanical engineering. Engineering is not just about gaining the technical knowledge, but it is an all round development of a student, and the mechanical engineering department makes sure that it takes place in the right direction. The faculty is very friendly, and they don't just help you to solve the numerical problems, but also help you in dealing with the real life problems as well. During the second year and the third year of the graduation, the department helps students to find internships so that we are able to gain hands-on experience and learn how an industry actually functions. And that really helps students to find what their interest is actually in. The labs of mechanical engineering department are well equipped. The designing lab is also well equipped with various designing softwares and analysis softwares as well. Choosing mechanical engineering is not at all limiting your career prospects, but you are opening doors to an ocean of opportunities. Currently, I am working with Infosys and I got selected through campus placement. Prior to that, I had two more job offers. I am thankful to the professors of Mechanical Engineering Department and the TPO who helped me at all the stages of the interviews so that I can excel in my career aspects. I am very thankful to the professors and TPO that I was able to kickstart my career through an Indian multinational right at the beginning. Thank you.
And my name is Roshni Bouquet and I'm an alumni of Gokhale Education Society's Arad Sapat College of Engineering, Nasik. I completed my graduation in the year 2020 from Mechanical Department and currently I'm working in Byju's as a business development training. Coming back to my college days, the memories are quite refreshing. Like even now, if I think of the college days, it feels like going back there because the memories are quite good. First of all, I would like to thank all the staff members of mechanical department for being very supportive and friendly throughout my degree program. When I was in college, apart from the normal lectures, there were a lots of workshops, seminars, and training that really helped me to develop myself personally and professionally. There were also a couple of guest lectures that really helped me and that gave us a very useful information. And last but not the least, it was great studying there. And I would like to thank the institute for giving me this opportunity and experience. And I wish all the best to all the students. Thank you.
For more information, visit our website www.ges-coeng.org, or you may contact Professor D.S. Chowdhury 976247470, Professor V.T. Mandlik 85528799479, Professor M.K. Ghode 9422943367. Thank you.